Everyone, welcome to this immersive journey into the heart of Dubai's skyline, where architectural marvels meet innovation, and one tower stands as a symbol of human ambition and aesthetic brilliance, the CIEL Tower. Rising gracefully into the sky, the CIEL Tower is not merely a building, it is a statement of design, engineering, and urban vision, a structure that redefines the limits of modern architecture. As we embark on this exploration together, we will delve into every aspect of this monumental tower, from its conception and architectural inspiration to its structural intricacies, luxurious interiors, panoramic vistas, and the social and economic impact it imparts upon the city it adorns. The story of the CL Tower begins with an audacious vision, a vision to create not just a residential and commercial space, but a landmark that embodies Dubai's identity as a global hub for innovation, luxury, and forward-thinking design. The architects, engineers, and planners behind this project meticulously studied not only the demands of modern urban living, but also the aspirations of those who seek to live, work, and experience the extraordinary. Every line, curve, and surface of the tower reflects a deep understanding of both functionality and aesthetic appeal, combining to create a structure that is visually stunning, environmentally conscious, and technologically advanced. The exterior of CL Tower, characterized by sleek glass facades, dynamic geometric forms, and cutting-edge materials, interacts with natural light in ways that shift throughout the day, casting reflections and shadows that animate the tower and the surrounding cityscape. Its unique silhouette, visible from miles around, has become an integral part of Dubai's skyline, a beacon of modern architecture and a magnet for tourism, business, and cultural recognition. Stepping inside, the CL Tower offers an experience that merges luxury with comfort, precision with elegance. The interior design embraces openness, light, and continuity, creating spaces that feel expansive yet intimate, private yet connected. Residents and visitors alike encounter meticulously designed lobbies, lounges, and communal areas where every material, color palette, and texture has been thoughtfully chosen to evoke a sense of serenity and sophistication. Advanced building technologies ensure that every aspect of life within the tower is seamless, from intelligent climate control and energy-efficient lighting to high-speed elevators that glide smoothly between floors. The tower is more than just a vertical city. It is a self-contained ecosystem, integrating retail, leisure, hospitality, and residential functions in a way that maximizes convenience, accessibility, and lifestyle satisfaction. The observation decks, located at multiple vantage points within the tower, offer breathtaking panoramic views of Dubai and beyond, allowing visitors to witness the city's evolution, the sparkling waters of the Persian Gulf, and the intricate urban tapestry below. Each deck is designed to heighten the sensory experience, combining unobstructed views with comfortable seating, interactive informational displays, and immersive design elements that tell the story of the city, the tower, and the people who inhabit them. Sustainability and environmental responsibility are core principles of the CIEL Tower's design. The building incorporates energy-efficient systems, smart water management, and innovative waste reduction techniques, ensuring that its impact on the environment is minimized while maintaining the highest standards of comfort and performance. The integration of greenery, both within indoor spaces and across terraces and exterior areas, not only enhances aesthetics, but also contributes to improved air quality, reduced heat, and a stronger connection between residents and the natural environment. Beyond its physical structure, the CL Tower represents a social and cultural hub, fostering community engagement, social interaction, and shared experiences. Public spaces, event venues, and communal facilities are seamlessly integrated into the tower's layout, encouraging interaction and connectivity among residents, workers, and visitors. Cultural exhibitions, art installations, and community events create a vibrant atmosphere that reinforces the tower's position as more than just a building, but a living, breathing part of the city's cultural fabric. From an engineering perspective, the CL Tower pushes the boundaries of structural innovation. Its foundation, core, and support systems have been designed to withstand the challenges of height, wind, seismic activity, and environmental conditions, all while allowing for open, flexible interior layouts. Advanced modeling techniques, precision construction methods, and real-time monitoring systems ensure both safety and longevity, providing peace of mind for residents, investors, and city planners alike. Every floor of the tower has been meticulously planned with a balance between private and public spaces, residential units, commercial offices, and leisure amenities. Each apartment, suite, or office space is designed to maximize natural light, ventilation, and aesthetic appeal, offering a premium living and working environment. Interior layouts reflect contemporary design trends while remaining timeless, ensuring that the tower maintains its elegance and relevance for decades to come. As we move higher, the tower's rooftop and sky terraces offer unique experiences that merge luxury with spectacle. Infinity pools, rooftop gardens, dining venues, and observation lounges allow residents and guests to engage with the city from a perspective that is at once exhilarating and calming, offering moments of reflection, entertainment, and inspiration. Technological integration plays a crucial role in the CIEL Tower experience. Smart building systems monitor and optimize energy consumption, security, climate, and communications, while providing residents and visitors with intuitive interfaces to control their environment. This seamless integration of technology enhances both comfort and efficiency, demonstrating how modern architecture can harmonize with the digital age. The impact of the CIEL Tower on Dubai's economy and global perception is substantial. By attracting tourism, high-profile business, international investment, and media attention, the tower contributes to Dubai's continued growth as a leading global city. Its presence elevates surrounding neighborhoods, stimulates commercial activity, and creates employment opportunities across construction, hospitality, retail, and service sectors, generating a ripple effect that benefits the city at large. Every element of the tower has been conceived with longevity in mind, from material selection and structural systems to maintenance strategies and operational efficiency. The CIEL Tower is not merely a transient achievement, but a legacy project that will continue to shape Dubai's identity, skyline, and urban life for generations. In understanding CIEL Tower, we also explore the stories of the people behind it, the architects, engineers, designers, planners, and visionaries whose creativity, dedication, and innovation brought this tower to life. Their collaboration, problem-solving, and ambition exemplify what can be achieved when technical expertise meets bold imagination. Each decision, from the curvature of a facade to the selection of sustainable materials, reflects an intricate balance of aesthetics, function, and feasibility. As the sun rises and sets over Dubai, the tower interacts dynamically with its environment, capturing light, casting shadows, and providing a visual spectacle that changes with the hour. The interplay of transparency, reflection, and structural rhythm creates an ever-evolving experience for both residents and observers, ensuring that no two moments are ever the same. In conclusion, the CIEL Tower stands as a testament to human ingenuity, ambition, and creativity. It is a living landmark that embodies the spirit of Dubai, a city where dreams take form in steel, glass, and concrete, and where the skyline continually evolves to reflect a vision of the future. Every aspect of the tower, from its design philosophy to its technological integration, from luxury interiors to sustainable practices, contributes to a narrative of excellence, innovation, and aspiration. The CIEL Tower invites all who encounter it to witness what is possible when vision, skill, and determination converge, offering a perspective not only of the city below, but also of the heights human creativity can reach. As we continue this exploration, we recognize that the story of CIEL Tower is more than architecture. It is an ongoing experience, an invitation to engage with beauty, innovation, and urban life in ways that inspire, educate, and delight, reminding us that in the pursuit of excellence, the sky is never the limit. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe.